Hi everyone, good morning. Hope you all are doing good. So today we'll be reading Peppa Pig the Fire Engine from the Incredible Peppa Pig Collection that contains 50 Peppa storybooks. So let's get started. Mummy Pig is going to the Mummy's fire engine practice. It's just a good excuse for a cup of tea and a chat, says Daddy Pig. I'm meeting with the Daddy's football team and having a barbecue. That's just a lot of grown-up boys kicking a football around, says Mummy Pig. Mummy, can we see the fire engine? Asks Peppa. Hee hee, fire engine, says George. Yes, Peppa, I'll take you and George, says Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig drives Peppa and George to Miss Rabbit's fire station. Hello, Peppa and George, says Miss Rabbit. Come and see the fire engine. There's a ladder for climbing, says Miss Rabbit, a hose for squirting water, and a big bell to ring. Miss Rabbit takes them into the control room to look for fires. Peppa spots a red phone and picks it up. Peppa, that's the fire phone, says Miss Rabbit. It's only to be used when there's a fire. Peppa puts down the phone. Suddenly, the red phone rings. Miss Rabbit panics. Fire station? Where's the fire? Says Miss Rabbit. Can I speak to Mummy Pig, please? Asks Daddy Pig. It's an emergency. I can't find the tomato ketchup anywhere. Miss Rabbit puts the phone down. How many fires have you actually put out, Miss Rabbit? Asks Mummy Pig. None, replies Miss Rabbit. Not one fire, but you've got to be ready. The red phone rings again. Hello, Daddy Pig, says Miss Rabbit. The phone is only to be used when there's a fire, shouts Daddy Pig. Oh dear, Daddy Pig's barbecue is on fire. Mummy's to the rescue, says Miss Rabbit. Miss Rabbit slides down the pole to the fire engine. Whee! All the mummies slide down the pole. Peppa and George hold tight and slide down the pole too. They all get into the fire engine. Miss Rabbit puts on the siren and drives them to Peppa's house. Nina, Nina, Nina. The fire engine arrives at Peppa's house. Stand back, daddies, shouts Miss Rabbit. Mummy Pig and Mummy Sheep hose down the barbecue. The fire is out. Thank you for saving us, Miss Rabbit, says Daddy Pig. No problem, it's all part of the service, says Miss Rabbit. The Mummy's fire engine service, says Mummy Pig. And now that Miss Rabbit has kindly flooded our garden, says Daddy Pig, we can all jump up and down in muddy puddles. I love fire engines, says Peppa, especially when they make muddy puddles. Hee 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 hee. Thank you for listening. For more such reading videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.